Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload videos to Etsy listing on iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead right here to your browser and just following the let's just follow the step. Now, what you're gonna do to add video in the listing on Etsy seller app, you gotta just go ahead in the Etsy seller app and then select the listing, and then basically you gotta follow the instructions, right? So basically on the Etsy, select the shop manager, select listing, and then choose the listing that you like to add a video to. And then in the about section, just locate the photos and videos, and then select the blank video icon, and then choose the short listing video you would like to add. And now if you want to add a video to a listing in a Etsy seller app, just go ahead, select the listing, and then choose the listing that you like to add the video to, and then select the listing to see the listing details, and then either select the plus sign under the photos and video, or select view all, then add a video, and then choose a short listing video that you would like to add. Your video may be 5 to 15 seconds long, and you will not it and will not contain any audio once uploaded to listing. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.